Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're checking out what many consider the best whiteboard dry erase eraser available. The Amazon Basics Dry Erase Whiteboard Eraser. Offered in a convenient 4-pack. Whether you're at school, in the office, or working from home, this eraser is designed to make cleaning your whiteboard quick and effortless. First, let's talk about the build and design. Each eraser measures just under 5 inches long and about 2 inches wide, fitting comfortably in your hand. Its rectangular shape is practical and easy to grip, while the sleek black plastic top gives it a simple yet professional look. The eraser's bottom features a non-abrasive polyester pad with a soft pile that efficiently removes dry erase marker ink without scratching or damaging your whiteboard's surface, making it safe for porcelain and melamine boards as well. One of the standout features is its compact size, which allows it to fit neatly inside standard whiteboard pen holders. This means your erasers are always within easy reach, reducing clutter and keeping your workspace organized. The lightweight design makes it comfortable to use for extended periods, whether you're teaching a class, brainstorming in a meeting, or jotting down ideas at home. Functionality is key for any eraser, and the Amazon Basics set performs well in this regard. It quickly removes all traces of dry erase marker marks, leaving your board spotless and ready for the next use. The polyester material holds up over time, ensuring durability and longevity even with frequent use. When you purchase the 4-pack, you're getting great value. It ensures you have plenty of erasers on hand, whether to distribute across multiple rooms, share with team members, or keep as backups. The price point is very reasonable, making it an accessible option without compromising on quality. Shipping and delivery are straightforward, with availability on Amazon.com and options to ship internationally, including to India. Plus, the product is backed by a 30-day refund or replacement policy, adding peace of mind to your purchase. In summary, the Amazon Basics Dry Erase Whiteboard Eraser is a smart choice for anyone needing reliable, easy-to-use erasers for whiteboards in any setting. Its effective cleaning ability, user-friendly design, and value-packed multi-pack make it the best dry erase eraser to keep your whiteboards looking their best. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.